Good morning. Today we're going to be going over lesson worksheet 108, and first I wanted to do the lesson with you. So this is the same thing as yesterday where we'll be writing division number sentences, and I went and found again some things that we can slide to make our groups and for us to visually see, and I'm going to use buttons again. But again, you could use coins or beans or small candies, or you could use buttons, whatever works best for you. So first in number 1, let's read what the sentence or the word problem is. There are 18 cupcakes. If each child will have 2 cupcakes, how many children can have cupcakes? So again, let's start with 18. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then there's 18. So I'm going to put these over here. So here's my 18 cupcakes. Each child will have 2, so I'm going to put them in groups of 2. So that's 1. There's another group of 2. And so right now I'm just putting them into my groups of 2. Okay, so there's my groups of 2. So each one of these is a child. How many children can have cupcakes? Well, let's first start with, we have 18 total. So let's bracket, actually we needed to bracket our information, so I'm sorry. So bracket our 18 cupcakes because that was important information. And then bracket that each child will have 2 cupcakes. So using those numbers, let's write our number sentence. 18 divided by, there were 2 cupcakes per child, equals, so how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are saying that 9 children can have 2 cupcakes each. Okay. On number 2, there are 35 children. Mr. Bellucci wants to put 5 children in each group. How many groups of children will he have? Well, let's start first with bracketing our important information. So we know that we have 35 children, and he wants to put them in groups of 5 children in each group. Okay, so let's count out our 35. So this was 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 35. So there's my 35 buttons to represent my 35 children, and I want 5 children in each group. So 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, and 5. So there's all my groups of 5 children. Let me get them organized so it's easier for you to see. Okay, so there's all my groups of 5. I hope that's easy for you to see. Okay, so our number sentence, again, we're going to start with the information that we already have. So 35 divided by 5 children in each group equals, well, how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we could have 7 groups of children. Okay. On number 3, we have 5 children will share 20 stickers. How many stickers will each child get? Again, let's bracket our important information. We have 5 children and we have 20 stickers. Okay, so this was 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to put these over here because I don't need them. And I have my 20 stickers, and now I have only 5 children. So I'm going to divide these evenly into 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now I'm just going to evenly pass out my stickers. Okay, so each group is even. So let's first start with our number sentence with the information that we have. So it'd be 20 stickers divided by 5 children would equal, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 are 5 children, and we saw that each of them would get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stickers each. So 4 stickers. Okay. On number 4, we're going to use the chart at the right for problems 4 and 5. So on question number 4, Mrs. Brown wants to make groups of 4 children. Okay, so let's bracket the groups of 4 children. How many groups can she make? Well, we know that Mrs. Brown has 24 children in her class. So I'll need 24 buttons to represent my 24 children. So this was 20. I'm going to add 4 more. So here's my 24 children that are in Mrs. Brown's class. And I want to put those into groups of 4 children each. So 2, 4, that's one group. 2, 4, that's my second group. 2, 4, that's my third group. 2, 4, that's my fourth group. 2, 4, and then I have another group of 4 right here. Okay. So how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would start with what we know. We have a total of 24 children, and we're going to divide them into groups of 4 children each, which gives us our 6 groups. Okay. On number 5, Mrs. Fermento wants to divide her class into 3 groups. How many children will be in each group? Well, she has 21 students in her class, so I'm going to take away 3 here. So now I have 21. This represents my students in her class, and I'm going to bracket. She wants to divide the class into 3 groups. So again, I'll start with my 3 groups, and now I'm just going to pass them out. Okay, so there's my 21 children divided into 3 groups. So let me write my number sentence. 21 children divided into 3 groups, which equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there would be 7 children in each group. Okay, and then on number 6, there are 42 days until summer vacation. How many weeks is that? Well, how many days are in a week? I hope you said there are 7 days in a week. So I'm going to get 42. I had 21, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. So here's my 42 buttons, which represent my 42 days till summer vacation. And I know that I'm going to have 7 days in a week. So let's break it into, we'll make 7 groups. And then that will tell us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put one more down here, 7. Now I'm going to pass these out. Now, if we use our facts that we know about multiplication, what number would I multiply together? Well, what would be 42 divided by 7? So what multiplied by 7 would equal 42? So let's see if you can figure that out while I pass out buttons. Almost done. Be patient. Okay, so here we go. So I had my 7 days of the week, and I have my 42 days to vacation. So 42 days would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks until summer vacation. So we would go, here's our 42 days until summer, and how many weeks is what we want to know. So it'd be 42 divided by 7 days in a week equals 6. So it would be 6 weeks. And I hope that you said that 42 divided by 7 was equal to 6. Thank you. Bye-bye.